Hey guys, it's Brad Stevens here. I just want to run through the software really quickly so you know exactly how to use it. Okay, so I'm in the welcome tab now. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's the welcome video here. Here's a getting started PDF guide. If you don't want to watch the training video, you can submit a support ticket by clicking here, and you can go to the training video by clicking the getting started wizard. Okay, and then the getting started tab would be where this training video is going to be. The dashboard we'll cover in a bit. The retarget engine. This is the main part of the software, okay? So I'm going to show you how you set up a retargeting campaign using Social Spy Agent. So let's name this one test. Let's pretend this is a Teespring campaign we're doing. So teespring.com/social spy agent. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to go and get your Facebook retargeting pixel. You just click this button right here. Okay, and then what you do is you'll go ahead and you'll click on create audience, custom audience, website traffic. Okay, then what you do is you click on this little gear icon in the bottom left hand corner, view pixel code. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy this code, go back to Social Spy Agent, paste that in there, okay? And that's for Facebook retargeting. If you're using Perfect Audience or AdRoll, you go ahead and you paste those codes in there, those pixels, okay? And then you've got your cloaking domains, guys. And this is the domain you're going to use to run traffic to from whatever ad you're using. So if you're using Facebook ads, you would use this URL when setting up your ad. Okay, so I'm going to go, because this is a t-shirt, I'm going to go T-Deals today, and I'm going to click on save. The software is going to go ahead and process that. Then all I have to do is click on copy URL. It's been copied to the clipboard. I go back to the audience manager, create audience, custom audience, website traffic. And then what you want to do is you want to select people who visit specific web pages, paste that URL from the software into here, change this to 180 days, and name your audience, okay? And then click on create audience. And that's going to go ahead and create your audience for you. And it says, thank you for creating a custom audience. Your audience is ready, okay? And here it is right here, the test audience. Now, as you can see, it says not ready, audience too small. Now, don't worry about this. You have to start running traffic to your ad for the actual audience to start updating. So as it says here, audience must include at least 20 people to be used for ads. Okay, so you need to start running traffic to this URL right here. So use that URL in your ads, and when that's done, people will start landing on your landing page, whether it be an Amazon page or a Teespring page or a YouTube video. And when they land on that page, the pixel will fire and this will update. Now, this can sometimes take up to 24 hours to update, so don't freak out if yours hasn't updated if you've sent more than 20 clicks, okay? And when this is available, you can select it, click this checkbox here, and this button right here, create ad. It's grayed out right now because there is no audience yet. This is just a test I'm running to show you how the software works. You click on create ad, and it'll open an ad, and it'll take you to the custom. You'll choose your ad objective, and then you just scroll down to the custom audience field and select this custom audience from that field, and you can run a retargeting ad from Facebook using this audience you've just built. Okay, guys, and then we have the settings tab where you can go ahead and enter your details, or edit your details rather, and then you have the default Facebook retargeting pixel code. Okay, if I paste that in there and I click on update and I go back to the retarget engine, it's automatically filled in, guys. Okay, so that's a pretty cool feature. And then when you go to the dashboard, you can see how many clicks your audience, your retargeting URL has actually got. And obviously there's a copy URL button once again. And you can go ahead and you can delete all your audiences that you're not using anymore. And the add new obviously takes you back to the retarget engine. And then here's the support tab, and obviously the sign out button. Okay, and when you actually name your retargeting audience, this must be unique, because when you name this, it's going to be the extension from the cloaking domain. So for example, because I've named this test, if I scroll down and the default cloaking domain is clickmefordiscounts.com, my actual retargeting URL is going to be clickmefordiscounts.com/test. So if I'd name this testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then, and I'd selected click for details now, then my retargeting URL that the software is going to give me is clickfordetailsnow.com/testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So please keep this unique, and yeah, that pretty much covers how to name your audience. Okay guys, I think that pretty much covers everything in the software. I just wanted to shoot that really quickly to show you exactly how it works. Feel free to submit a support ticket if you're having any issues. But for now, I think I've covered everything. So thanks again for picking up Social Spy Agent, and I look forward to interacting with you in the future. Bye for now.